Study hard, Jay. I got your back. Bye!
Every day I showed up, not because school was easy, but because I had the reason to keep going. I wanted to succeed. I wanted to prove that dreams aren't just for the lucky ones. So I work hard. I believe that one day, all this effort would be worth it.
See you later!
She wasn't just my sister. She was my cook, my alarm clock, my tutor, my number one fan. She'd wake up early just to make sure I had food and clean uniform. I never understood how one person could carry so much love until the day I had to carry her memory. Hello?
Support your sister. She's gone. There was an accident.
Everything went quiet. No voices, no movement. Just me, sitting in the dark. Like the world had stopped spinning. And maybe it did. Dear Jay, if one day you feel like giving up, remember your promise. You said you'd finish school for your sister, for everything she gave. Keep going, Jay. I almost forgot who I was. But this letter, it reminded me why I started. She believed in me. And now, I have to believe in myself too. I came back, not as the same person, but as someone stronger. Every step I took was for her. And today, this diploma is ours.